Hey everyone, welcome back to the Notionianism. If you're writing your CV or want to make it stronger, today's video is just for you. We'll go step by step through 5 important stages, starting from scratch to making sure it's ready to send out. And don't worry, I'll keep everything simple and easy to follow. You can also find the full list of prompts we'll talk about today in the link in the description. Let's get started. Step 1. Create your CV from scratch. First, if you don't have a CV yet or you want to make a fresh one, you'll need to collect your information, your name and contact info, your work experience, your education, your skills and tools, and any projects or certifications. We'll use a prompt to help you build the structure. It will also ask you helpful questions so nothing is missed. After answering, you'll get a full draft of your CV in a clean, professional format. Step 2. Make it ATS-Friendly. Next, we make sure your CV is ready for applicant tracking systems. These are the programs that scan CVs before a human even reads them. So what do? Use standard section titles like work experience and skills. Avoid fancy designs, colors, or columns. Use simple fonts and clean bullet points. Add keywords from the job description. This helps your CV pass the first test and reach the recruiter. Step 3. Tailor your CV to the job. Now we focus on customizing your CV for each job you apply to. Yes, it's a bit of extra work but totally worth it. Here's how it works. You give the job ad to ChatGPT and it will match your experience with what they're looking for. It can move sections around, update your skills, and highlight your most relevant projects. This shows the company that you're a great fit. Step 4. Add numbers and make it stronger. A great CV isn't just a list of tasks, it shows your impact. So instead of writing manage social media accounts, you can write, manage 3 social media accounts and grew followers by 25% in 6 months. ChatGPT can help you rewrite each bullet point to include numbers, actions, and results. This makes your CV more powerful and shows the value you bring. Step 5. Final review and proofreading. Finally, we check everything. No typos, no strange spacing, and everything should look clean and professional. We also check, are dates formatted the same way? Are bullet points aligned? Does it sound natural and easy to read? This step gives your CV that final polish and makes sure it's ready to send. And that's it. These 5 steps will take your CV from zero to professional. You'll find the full list of prompts in the file linked below, so feel free to use them for your own CV. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Notionianism for more tips and tools. Good luck with your job search and see you in the next video.